nobody told me that. I don't know if by any chance, how is it called? There are some pests, whether it is pest, normal animal, that eats onions. Nobody, I was never informed. I did not even know, because I must say this is the first time I am trying this out, and I am so surprised to have seen what I'm seeing now. I'm so surprised to see what I'm seeing now, and I am not happy. Yes, I must tell us I am not happy. I don't like what I am seeing. You don't understand? Because though I was the one that made this mistake, I had to go and open where I planted this thing, and I was not supposed to open it until maybe to an extent. So, but to my surprise, to my utmost surprise, yes, let me use the word. I'm so surprised. I don't know which animal could be the one that has eaten my onions plant. Let me show us. You guys will see. I don't know which animal, whether it is good. See. So the thing is a concern. It's a concern. You can see. So in the comment section, I don't know. I made a very big mistake by opening this place up, because I was thinking, okay, let sun come. You understand? So I was just saying, okay, let sun, so that because of sun. But to my utmost surprise, this is what I found out. Because this is more like I'm just trying, and you can see they're not more doing well again, you see. And I don't know what to do, guys. Please, if you know in the comment section what I can do to preserve, to protect this particular onions, please hit it in the comment section, because on how it is like this, I don't know what is happening. In this our backyard, I be like say I don't even know what's in the happen. When you plant something, if no be good, they can't worry you. Another element could definitely cause problem. What is the problem? I don't even know. I was only trying out these onions to see if it can stand, and then if I'm able to harvest, I said okay, I'll now come out and make a review that okay, we can actually plant this thing in the south. So, but it is still okay. I'm still not giving up. It's still here on the ground here, so I believe it can still stand. You don't understand? So let's still hope that it stands. But if not, if you know any solution to this thing, please hit it on the comment section for me. Abi, do goats eat onions plant? Abi, which one? Please, if you know, hit it on the comment section for me, because I am seriously not happy. Yes, I'm not happy. Give me joy. I'm not even supposed to be happy. You understand? But anyhow, don't forget this is your number one favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri. Please guys, hit it in the comment section if goats do eat onions plant, the plant. So guys, thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.